In this video, I'm gonna show you how to recover your Pokemon Unite account. If you lost your access to it, whether it was hacked or you don't have access to your email anymore. Whatever the reason, just follow these steps to recover your Pokemon Unite account. Okay, let's start. To recover your Pokemon Unite lost account, you need to open any browser. Let's close the app and open Chrome. Here on the web address, go to support.pokemon.com support.pokemon.com and go. This is the Pokemon support website, and here you need to scroll down and find Pokemon Unite. Here it is, click on it. Scroll down again and find Contact Us. Click on it. Now here, we will submit a request to Pokemon Unite support. We will tell them about our problem to our account. First, put any active email address. And your first name and last name. Next, select a language. I'm gonna choose English. Your location. Now what is our request all about? It's for account recovery. Scroll down and provide the app version of your Pokemon Unite. You can see that on the title screen. Select what device you are currently using. Just skip the support ID, it's optional. The model of your device. I'm currently using Realme 5i. And the operating system of my device is Android 10. And here enter your trainer name. Here just select Report Issue. Select your network environment. I'm currently using home Wi-Fi. Now here on the account issue, choose account link issue. Now choose a platform that you currently have a problem. I'm gonna choose Google because my Pokemon Unite account was linked to Google. I lost it because I don't have access to my Google account anymore. On the account link issue, choose Other. You can skip the error message if you don't have that. And here, since I cannot log into my Pokemon Unite account anymore, I'm gonna choose Cannot Play. Give the exact date and time when the issue occurred. On the description, you need to explain to them what happened to your Pokemon Unite account. You can include a file or a picture here, such as a screenshot of the homepage of your account. But if you don't have, just leave it blank. Once all are done, click on Submit.